That was Nica's Dream by Horace Silver. Next up, we're going to play through this again, but this time we'll have the tablature, standard notation, and the Guitar Pro neck diagram going along with the music. Then I'll take you through the melody step by step. We'll also include some basic chord voicings going through the progression. I do have a chord melody arrangement on this as well, so be sure to check out that video. And please like and subscribe and let me know what you think of this tune. Leave a comment down in the description. Okay, well, let's get started. Okay, now that we've played through it again, let's work on this step by step. I will have links to the tablature down in the description below. Okay, we will start out on fret 13, string 1. Play that accented and short. Go down to fret 11 and then fret 9. Then we're going to play this melodic line. Okay, so essentially we're in position 7, moving up to position 8, back to 7, and then landing on string 4, fret 8. Okay, so we have a brief pause there, and then we're in with the melody, or the main melody of the tune. So position 6, string 2, then going up to fret 8, staying in position 6, 6, 6, and then string 2, fret 6, holding that. Okay, and then we're gonna start out the same way. Now we're going fret 8, 9, 5, 8 on string 1, and then we play these 6s again, moving down a position, position 4. Okay, and then we're going 5 to 6 on string 3, same position. And then string 1, 4, string 2, 6, and string 3, 6, and then 4 on string 2. Okay, position 4, 4, 6, 4, 6 to 7. You can shift up if you like. And then 6, 6, down to 5, and string 3. Then we restate that melody. Okay, go on 6, and back to string 2, fret 6. Fret 6 again. Okay, back with the 6s, strings 1, 2, 3, moving down a position, or 2 positions, position 4, 4, 6, 6, 4. And then 5 to 6, over to string 1, fret 6, 4 on string 1, 6 on string 2 or 3, and then back to 4 on string 2. 4, 6, 4, 6, and then 7, string 2, string 2, fret 6, string 3, fret 6, and then 5. Okay, so here we are, switching over to a swing feel. Okay, so strings 2 and 3 there, position 6. Okay, walking up from string 2 to string 1 and string 3. So 8, 6, 7, 9, and then string 1, 6, 7. Okay, now we're gonna shift down to position 3. 6, 5, 6, 3, 6 on string 3, string 2, 6, fret 6, 5 to 4 on string 2. And then we're gonna go up to position 7, back down to position 6. Okay, going to string 2. Moving to position 3. Okay, position 4. 5 and 4, strings 3 and 2. Now we set up the next part with this string of notes here. Okay, we're into our next section. So here we carry on just like the A section. Okay, fret 6, and then we have 6. Okay, 8, 9, 5, 8, string 1. And then we're gonna go, okay, so we did strings 1, 2, and 3, fret 6, and then we have 4. Position 4, 4, 6 on string 2, string 6 and 3, and then string 2, 4. Okay, 5 and 6, string 3, and then string 1, fret 6. Then we have 4, 6, 6, 4. And again, we play the succession of notes. Okay, fret 6. Down 6 to 5 on string 3. Okay, so that ends out the form, and then we have this additional section. So position 8, we're going to play like this. Okay, so position 8, and then position 10, and then we're going to play 13, 10, string 2, position 10, and then we're going to go to position 8, 11 and 8, position 6, 9 and 6, position 4, rather, 7 and 4. Then we'll play that note again, and then we're going to play like this. Strings 1, 1, 2, 1, string 2, 4, and then string 3, 4, 2, 3. Okay, let's take a look at some of the basic chords here. All right, so I'll take you through the form. We have B flat minor major 7. This is the top of the form, top of the melody, not the intro. A flat minor major 7. And then you go back to the B flat minor major 7. This time we go to A flat minor 7, and then the D flat 7, or D flat 9 I'm playing, and A flat minor 7 to D flat 9, and then we're going to go G flat, D flat 9, and to C7 sharp 5, sharp 9, C minor 7 flat 5 to F7 flat 9 into B flat minor major 7. Now, you might find some variations, but that's essentially the A section. Let's take a look at the bridge section. We have an A flat 7 sus. So I'm playing a 13 in there as well. D flat, a major 7, F minor 7 flat 5 to B flat 7 sharp 5, E flat 7 or E flat 9, and then A flat 7 into D flat major 7. Then we go to E minor 7 or E minor 9 like I'm playing, A13. And then we go through that again. So A flat, sus, going to D flat, I'm playing major 9, and then F minor 7 flat 5 to B flat 7 sharp 5 into E flat 9, A flat 7 to the D flat major 7, and then C minor 7 flat 5 to F7 flat 9 or sharp 5, or both. And then you're back to the A section. There are some differences between the chords during the solos and chords during the melody as well. For example, during the bridge we'll play a minor major 9, D flat minor major 9 rather than D flat major. And then we have some little walk-ups that we play, like F minor, E flat minor 7, D flat major 7, F minor, up to the B flat 13 flat 9. But be sure to check out recordings, and also there are several lead sheets available out there on the internet or in publications. Thanks for watching. You may find you need more help with this tune or others. Click the link down in the description to set up a guitar consultation. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.